This is the elevator. I don't get the building name in the title, but it's like some sort of like student common union type building at Westminster College in Wilmington, Pennsylvania. It is an Otis LVM 211 hydraulic elevator with Series 1 fixtures. It's actually a pretty spacious cab. 3. Here we go up. That's pretty slow closing. Here 3. Back down to 1. Certificate in physical plant. That's not even the right certificate frame for the state of Pennsylvania. That's like more what you would find like Florida. This is car 16, probably on the main building file. It's a basic Otis cab from this era. Lighting, only the front fluorescent light works. The back one does not work. Actually, there is not. I don't think there is even a back one. Here, back at 1. Vehicles, and that's going to be it.